Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. My first video. Nice. And today we're gonna be stacking people, as always. I'm tired of a little bit broke, but still help us for the last 10 minutes. So yeah, let's go.
I got you.
Oh my! Who wanted to beat Mary Poppins?
Damn. Someone up there? Nope. That's crazy.
Bro!
Hey, I'm Mary Poppins! Yeah, Mary Poppins.
No kissing. Ow.
What's Umbrella?
Come here. You're gonna eat
Mary Poppins.
Bro, can I have
Thank you.
Put down. Put him down. Ow! Ow! That hurts! Ow! That hurts! It hurts!
I'm honestly beginning to realize my controllers nearly look like footballs. Hey, yo, I got a question. Do y'all want to see a good way to kill people?
No.
Yeah, sure.
I already know mine.
So you need to get a fight. Yeah. I need someone to kill though. What the Reese's? I like Reese's. I like men. I like fat oily men.
Yo,
My bad. I failed. So what you want to do is no, there's an easier way to do this. You want to see? Purple, that's an easier way. Purple, there is an easier way to do this. Do you want to see?
Mine. Wait, you want?
Ready? So you want to grab. Guy over there.
Well, I guess I karma.
He killed me.
As you can see, I nearly killed him. I almost killed him.
Kill me.
Isn't it?
Try. You did. You did. I'm not trying. God, can anyone get me a ray gun? Anything out my bag?
I'll give you this.
And I don't know how I didn't get wet.
I need a ray gun. Can I have a ray gun, please? I'll give you something good out my bag. Yeah.
No.
This one's literally stolen from me.
No.
Bang it on your head. Save me! Save
me! Fight me! Fight me!
I dare you!
Can I just have it? Yo, cat, open that. Yo, go open that thing. Bro, I said it out there, yeah. I said it out there.
I say
it has a shotgun. It has a shotgun. I don't need a shotgun. Hey, take me. Yeah, it's dead. Give me one of the Reagan! That's what I got! I jumped in front of the ray gun, and then I killed him. Oh! That's what you get, bro. I'm gonna go open it in private. I'm gonna go portal out.
Add me.
Shrek, add me, Shrek.
I think this guy is gonna die. Damn.
That's what you get, Blue. Why is that a football? Bro, I hate you fucking bitch.
Hey.
Bro, can I not rate them, please? No! Oh shoot! He literally stole mine! I'm giving you something great! Give Me.
I'm done trolling. I'm done trolling for the day.
Sorry, gang. I'm gonna need you to.
Nice.
I'm the grenade setting. Ah! You shoot me, guys.
Shit, too! It's gonna be quick, don't worry.
Did that bro die? Oh, bro didn't die.
I'm gonna kill myself. I'm gonna kill myself.
Bro really thought bro could kill me. That's illegal. You're illegal.
Ooh, a bag.
No, I'm not falling for it.
It is illegal in the server.
Hey,
Oh, that's really
cool.
What is this? What is this glowing light?
So close, but I'm close.
Oh my god. Bro, when AFK will having those.
I think I better move.
Hey, who wants this? Who wants this? Who wants this can of Sprite?
I want.
How did he not die though?
Bro, it's just a flash. It's just a can of Sprite.
Yeah, bro, saying I'm gonna fall.
Oh, Black! I just killed someone I'm not supposed to kill. Why is that thing?
No, bro, please! Don't! I'm trying to. Please.
Trying to what?
You. Oh, you fucking nigga! I fucking hate you.
Might have to censor that out because you just said the N word. That's fucking racist.
You be right here.
Over.
There you go.
You're not allowed to shoot me. I'm black. So why you shoot me?
What do you mean you're black? I'm black also. You don't want to know about that. Don't. We don't talk about that, alright? And I'm gonna kill myself. I'm swimming. Bye bye.
I guess that's right.
Damn, my juicy. One second. I need to out there. 3 people at the same time. If I did,
Just go, Yossi, dude. Just
video
go.
ends.
I can see black guy. Yo, Led, do you want me to kill somebody for you? Led, do you want me to kill somebody for you?
yeah, sure. Just kill it.
Hey. Alright, bet.
Anyone in this lobby, man.
Give me my iPad back.
Literally, anyone in this lobby.
Not enough people going.
I'm just killing somebody for you. Yo, Led, where are you?
Nicole cousin right now.
Go on to the house. Go on to the house. Where are you going to the house?
Not. I would command you not to go out. I would command you not to go out. Because you might die. And people will kill you. So womp womp. I will just say that to him, womp womp. Mission completed. Oh my god. Imagine if someone has a key and I just killed them. It's crazy. But you better turn that flashlight off. It's open. It's open. It's open. It's open. Bye bye. But the door is gonna close.
The one's right here. Run.
No, she's not. No, she's not. No, she's not, buddy. No, she's not. Stop lying.
Yo, someone help me take these black ones.
Oh my god. This kid is so
Hey, you walk there.
out. Out.
Hey, come on. Come here. Here are 2 black ones. Take them. They give me a lot of money.
Kill me! What is it? Kiss that black guy face.
Who's been sold this briefcase? Come to computer.
No. What was that? No. be doing?
I'm gonna.
Oh my God, it's got a kid. Who the hell is a Kido? Almost bought that. Oh, he just left.
What's every pumpkin in my backpack?
I need to kill at least one more person.
We want to join a call with me. Oh man.
We want to join a call with you.
Wait, is it actually in there?
Where are you? I'm near the chicken thing, but I'm coming
That's
to
all.
the frickin' whatever it's called.
Man, you guys really had to kill me like that?
Okay, I'm waiting for you. Oxen.
You know I'm color yellow.
Anyways, that's gonna be for it. Oh my God, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you like, subscribe, share. Let's get to 100K. Not 100K. Let's get to 100 subscribers. Until next time, tomorrow.